is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today we are at Circuit of the Americas, and today we're going to be checking out their absolutely insane monthly car show. Last month they canceled the car show and they actually did one. Well, they didn't do one, but a lot of people came out to Dick's Sporting Goods, and I'm pretty sure y'all saw that video if y'all actually follow the channel. And yeah, today we're gonna be checking out their absolutely insane cars that they have here, because as I was pulling up, I saw a bright yellow Laferrari. First time ever seeing a Laferrari in person. I've seen so many in video, and I wanted to see them so damn bad in person, and they look absolutely like just phenomenal. So hopefully y'all like it. Like down below in the comments, comment down below what your favorite thing is about it, because I've never actually shown one in the channel. So yeah, like down below, subscribe, and also check out the shorts videos and Instagram reels that I post, because those I post daily, so y'all do not want to miss out on those. So yeah, let's get to it. Sexy Shelby Cobra right there. Oh, that sounds so good. Love that little 427 V8. Sounds and looks insane. You got the little big power group right here, running the welds. I don't know how much power they're making, but they sound pretty good. Oh, it's a Cowboy Motorsports Viper. Come on, I want to hear the revs on this thing so bad. Always in my whole life of seeing Vipers, I've always wanted to hear and see one, but I'm not really sure if he's going to do one right here, right beside the 720, because, I mean, he'd pretty much burn out the freaking bumper, so, yeah, I'm not sure if he's going to give us a little bit of that. No. Oh, yeah. This guy's so excited about it. It's not bad. The owners have gave him the keys and let it go. Sweet baby Jesus. Okay. Oh my Lord, now we got everyone. Sounds good. Is it just me, or does it sound like it's almost turning off? Oh, damn! Fucking hell.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me. That's a
Oh, this is one pissed off F8. Oh, let me hear it one more time. For the turbos. Oh damn, well you gotta follow a pissed off Ferrari like that. I've never heard a Ferrari F8 sound this good. Hey bro, let me hear it. Come on. A little. Bro, let me hear it. No, you finished. Come on, something, nothing. Where he parks, I'm pretty sure he's gonna do. Alright, so we just got Shahan Chandrasoma pulling up. His dad, I don't know if he just bought this F430, but it looks crazy. And Shahan is in the purple STO. Not really sure if CJ's in the green Urus, but hell yeah, we're definitely gonna have to hear these guys.
Ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal.
Alright, right now we're gonna be checking out the end of the car show. I know I didn't get a lot of cars that were actually inside the show, but we're gonna get a lot of them leaving because it wasn't too interesting over there, and I know right here at the exit it's gonna get really crazy, so y'all are definitely gonna wanna check it out. Like and subscribe, and let's get to it. Let me hear it. Come on. Just a little one. Come on. There you go. Nice. Beautiful V12 from that Ferrari. Oh, not bad. Come on, a little more. Let's go. Holy shit, he banged on limiter right there. Yeah, American muscle. Oh yeah. Not a bad Supra. Straight pipe GT4, you cannot go wrong with that. The Ferrari 488's pulling out, and also the Porsche GT3. Oh damn, that girl. Yeah, looks like supercharger. Oh damn, that super. Turn on the AK-47 there at the end. Not a bad Mach 1. Jesus Christ, that thing was loud. Sounded highly modified. That That Pro charger sounds sick. Oh, get out the way. Oh. What up? Give me something now. That left my ear ringing. Fucking hell. Alright, well that'll pretty much do it for today's car show here at Circuit of the Americas. Hopefully y'all liked all the content that I got here for y'all, because it was a crazy turnout. The Laferrari, the crazy content that I got here of the people leaving the show, it was just absolutely insane. So yeah, hopefully y'all liked all of it. Go check out my shorts and the Instagram. I'm gonna be linking it right here actually. So yeah, go check out my Instagram and the shorts videos that I have uploaded right here on YouTube, because I post on those daily, some insane content that I get on there. So yeah, y'all definitely want to check that out. And yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.